And third is reliable. We've been in the industry for more than 15 years and we've been the market leaders for 10 years. So this shows how reliable, and there are more than 40 to 50 brands in the market, and today to acquire a market share of 22%, I think the reliability and the quality makes the key aspect of Epson. So this is, as I said, light efficiency. On average, a 3-acid projector uses like 25% less power than a competitive DLP technology, single chip DLP technology. So this effectively gets into a scenario where the power consumption is very important in the country. And the heat exhaust from a 3-LCD is much lower compared to a 1-chip DLP. And second thing is, today all projectors are measured on something called white brightness. Now what is happening is the industry's 3-LCD especially is putting something on another standard called the color light output. Now just to give a brief, what is this color light output? We all know that basic 3 colors RGB gives the white color. But when white is going to be at 2005 lumens, logically your red, green and blue should be equally the same. So what we are doing is, in terms of a complicated technology, maybe called single chip DLP, or the white brightness may be 2005 lumens, but the color brightness of RGB will be around 1200, 1300. Because the industry is measuring light on white light, the prominence is given more on white because right up to the screen. Nobody is giving the prominence to the color light output. So I think in 3-LCD, your white brightness is 2005 lumens. You measure the individual RGB, you get again 2005 lumens. There is no any deterioration in the color brightness for 3-LCD. So this clearly indicates the image difference between a single chip DLP and a 3-LCD projector. So just to give example, the number one projector technology worldwide, we have been 20 years conducting research. As Sam was telling, the projectors were around 6 to 7 kilos when the industry started way back in 94-95 with the 200 ampere lumens or 150 ampere lumens. Today you can see projectors coming into 1.7 kilos with a brightness of 3000 lumens. So a lot of R&D and technology innovation has gone into the industry and the technology. And we have sold more than 60 million 3-LCD chips. We are the OEM for a few brands, also as a 3-LCD manufacturer. And filters are the key, the product for the 3-LCD because it keeps the entire optical and engine into a secure system where the external environment should not affect your performance of the projector. So this ends my 3-LCD. I'll just take you to the product presentation. Okay, coming to the product. Today we are launching exactly around 6 models, that is 4 home projectors and 2 business projectors. And all are displayed live in this room today, and we can demonstrate each and every product with the features after our presentation. First, coming to the home projector, we talk about TW480. So as I said, home segment is one of the biggest segment, and today people again are still, the entry segment is very high in the home because it is an upcoming market. So we feel that the home entry segment plays the key role to enhance the customer the big screen entertainment even in a middle class family or a high class family. So we are talking about the brightness of 2800 lumens with the HD, that is HD ready 720p resolution, True HD, with the HDMI interfaces, because today most of the video output devices have got HDMI interfaces. We're talking about horizontal keystone corrections because of the site conditions, the people have different kind of installations, and 3-in-1 USB. This is one of the key aspects of Epson which nobody in the industry has come out with, 3-in-1 USB. What is this 3-in-1 USB? With one individual USB cable, you will be able to do 3 functions. One is you can display a monitor, you can send the audio in the same cable, and you can control your mouse in the same cable. So this is one of the key innovation of Epson in the current projector technology. And we have 4 color modes because the customer today is trying to use these projectors in different scenarios, different applications, where we have given the presets like dynamic mode, the living room condition, the theater condition and game. So customer will not keep on going and changing the color setting for every any kind of application. So it's got a presets. So you can easily select by the press of a button. And key is that we increase the lamp life to 5000 hours. Conventionally, some 5 years back, the lamp life was limited to 2000 to 3000 hours. Now, almost all Epson projector lamp life starts from 5000 hours. So why is this very important is the customer who uses the projector earlier is worried about the replacement cost of the lamp. Today, if you want to use for 5000 hours, on average if you use on every week, even 10 hours or 20 hours, is going to last you for 3 years. And the lamp costs are drastically being deteriorated, means like we consciously kept the lamp cost lower because the end customer home segment feeling is when I want to replace the lamp, there is cost me more. So effectively the cost of the lamp is not going more than 10 to 12% of the projected cost today, especially on the home segment. So this is one of the first in the line segment with 3000 contrast ratio, and this will be our key focus volume product for the home segment from Epson, and with respect to 2% size of the market, it's very huge compared to the FY12. FY12 expected to be around 250,000 projectors, and we're talking about close to even 3%, talking about 7,500 projectors. It's a huge volume. I think we expect to go into the volume business with this. Again, it is out of the pyramid, this is at the top, or the bottom of the pyramid where the huge volume business is there.